Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Xbox controller tools is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious gamer looking to maintain and repair their beloved Xbox controllers, ensuring peak performance and longevity for countless gaming sessions. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to tackle common issues, from sticky buttons to worn-out analog sticks, empowering you to keep your controller in top condition without the need for expensive professional repairs. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, investing in a quality repair kit can save you time, money, and frustration, ultimately enhancing your overall gaming experience by keeping your equipment in perfect working order. Number 5. TOMSIN Replacement Thumbsticks for Xbox One PS4 Controllers. Don't spend a fortune on a new controller. With this kit, you can easily replace your broken or worn-out original thumbsticks and save money. These are designed to perfectly fit your official original controllers. They are compatible with Xbox One, Xbox One S, Xbox One X, and PS4 controllers. Please note these are not compatible with PS5, Nintendo Switch Pro, PowerA controllers, or any third-party brand controllers. Experience enhanced durability with these thumbsticks. The hard rubber coating on the top and sides ensures they last longer than the original ones. This package includes everything you need for the repair: for joystick thumbsticks, T8 and Phillips screwdrivers, a prying tool, and triangle opening picks. We stand by our products with a 1-year warranty. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll do our best to resolve them. What we like. If you're looking to save money and extend the life of your existing controller, this is a great option. It offers a durable rubber coating that's better than the original. Choose this if you want to avoid buying a new controller and get a better grip. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools that make disassembly and reassembly straightforward. The screwdrivers are magnetic, which is a huge help when dealing with tiny screws. Comes with replacement thumbsticks and buttons, allowing for customization and repair of worn parts. Number 4. Wesdut 37-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing the Wesdut 37-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set, your ultimate household repair companion. It includes 36 different bits to tackle any small repair job. Crafted from high-quality bearing steel, these bits are built to last with exceptional hardness. The strong magnetic tips make handling tiny screws effortless. Experience comfortable and efficient repairs with its ergonomic design. The smooth swivel cap and textured handle ensure a secure and easy grip for any task. This set comes in a small, sturdy case with a secure latch, perfect for safe storage and transport. The clear bit pattern on the box ensures you always find the right tool. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this versatile set is perfect for repairing electronics like phones, laptops, and wearables. It's designed to handle all your micro repair needs. Rest assured with your purchase, as this micro screwdriver set is covered by Wesdut's lifetime warranty. We stand by the quality and durability of our tools. What we like. If you need a versatile tool for various small electronic repairs, this set is a solid choice. Its bearing steel bits are built to last, and the magnetic tip makes handling tiny screws a breeze. Consider this if you frequently work with phones, computers, or other small gadgets. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools that make it easy to open and repair Xbox controllers. The screwdrivers are magnetic, which helps prevent losing small screws during the repair process. The replacement parts are high quality and fit perfectly, restoring the controller's functionality. Number 3. Wesdut 52-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This comprehensive 52-piece set is designed to meet all your electronic repair needs. It includes everything you need for disassembly, cleaning, and maintenance of your devices. Crafted from premium PHA material, the pry tools and shell are exceptionally durable and resistant to breakage. This ensures long-term reliability for all your home and DIY repair tasks. Experience unmatched precision with S2 alloy steel bits that offer superior hardness and wear resistance. Their 99% tight-fitting design ensures stability and prevents slippage during use. Effortlessly handle small screws with its strong magnetic tips, capable of holding multiple screws securely. The included magnetizer-demagnetizer allows you to adjust magnetic strength for smoother repairs. Designed for comfort, the non-slip handle and 360 degrees rotating end cap make repairs effortless and fatigue-free. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for extended use. Save time and energy with this all-inclusive kit. It's perfect for opening phones, cleaning computers, and repairing a wide range of small electronic devices. What we like. For those who tackle a wide range of electronic repairs, this comprehensive kit is ideal. It boasts S2 alloy steel bits for superior durability and an adjustable magnetic tip for precise screw handling. If you're a DIY enthusiast who values a complete and high-quality toolkit, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools that make the repair process straightforward. The screwdrivers are magnetic, which is a huge help when dealing with tiny screws. All the necessary bits and pieces were included, making it a complete solution for controller repairs. Number 2. AXTH 25-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This compact set includes 24 specialized bits, providing a comprehensive solution for all your small repair needs. It's the household essential you didn't know you needed. Crafted from high-quality bearing steel, these bits are built to last, resisting wear and corrosion. Their exceptional hardness ensures longevity for all your tasks. The magnetized tips make picking up and holding tiny screws a breeze. This feature significantly simplifies working with small components. Experience comfortable use with its ergonomic design, featuring a smooth swivel cap and a frosted, streamlined handle. It allows for easy and precise screw manipulation. Keep your tools organized and protected in the small, sturdy case with a secure latch. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go repairs. From phones and laptops to watches and electronics, this versatile tool handles it all. It's designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, backed by our lifetime warranty. What we like. If you're looking for a compact yet capable repair kit for everyday electronics, this set is a good fit. It features durable bearing steel bits and comes in a convenient, sturdy case. This is a great option if you need a reliable tool for common repairs without a lot of bulk. What people say. The tools are well made and fit perfectly into the controller screws. The kit includes all the necessary tools for a complete controller disassembly and reassembly. The magnetic screwdriver tip is a lifesaver for keeping track of tiny screws. Number 1. Xbox One Controller Joystick Replacement Kit. Tired of worn-out thumbsticks? It's time to elevate your gaming experience with these premium replacements. Play longer, better, and more comfortably. Experience a new level of precision with our true rubberized design. You'll never worry about slipping again, ensuring accuracy and sensitivity for ultimate gaming pleasure. Crafted with gamers in mind, these joysticks offer an aggressive textured grip that fits your controller perfectly. We ensure top quality before they reach you. Don't spend a fortune on a new controller. With the included screwdrivers and easy-to-follow guides, you can replace your worn thumbsticks in minutes and save money. Give your controller a fresh, new look and feel. These parts are designed as direct replacements, making your device stand out and perform like new again. What we like. If you're an Xbox gamer seeking to improve your controller's feel and performance, this is the product for you. It offers a true rubberized grip for better accuracy and sensitivity. Choose this if you want to refresh your controller's look and enhance your gaming experience without breaking the bank. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools that are essential for controller repairs, such as screwdrivers, pry tools, and replacement parts. The screwdrivers are magnetic, which makes it easier to handle the small screws during the repair process. The pry tools are designed to safely open the controller without causing damage to the plastic casing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.